Hello everyone, this is Dr. Supriya Kulkarni. I'm from Maharashtra, so I specifically came here to attend this workshop of basics of USG of joints. So I have never handled USG before. So this is my first time ever that I have come to a workshop of USG. Before coming here, I had read about the basics of USG, like how the things look and all, but I had never handled it individually. So I was not sure how much useful this all will be. But after coming here, I saw like ma'am is very friendly. You can just ask her like however many times you want to ask things. So she told us, she demonstrated every joint in detail, and then after every session we got almost 2.5 hours to like do the demonstration ourselves, like try it again and again. She was always there to help us out whenever we had any problem. So I think it was really fruitful. The like I did not think that I will understand things this easily. And of course, I have to go back and do the same thing again and again to, get habituated to it. But this session, these 2 days have been amazing. I've understood many things that I thought that I would never understand. But yeah, the overall experience is very good. Only 9 of us were there, so of course each individual gets the attention that it deserves. There were three stations of USG machines, so each machine had 3 people, so everyone gets enough time to do things, demonstrate yourself and learn. And then you discuss, you learn, ma'am is always there. So I think it's an amazing experience for me. So looking forward to attend more of such things with ma'am. So yes, thank you so much, ma'am. I'll always be grateful to you, and you have been very helpful. And as you told that we will be in touch with you if we get stuck anywhere. And thank you for always being there. Thank you.